Guys, now let's use logo over here. You can add your own logo from this media. You can upload your own logo. Guys, make sure your logo should be in PNG format, so its background should be transparent. Well, I'm going to make a text as logo, so that will be a simple one, but I hope it will look good. Add this plus button. I'm using this text. Choose any. So let's say I'm choosing this. Here I'm typing the imaginary name. Suppose I'm creating a digital marketing website. So suppose I'm creating website according to it. As you can see, it's hard to see, and there is one text also at the back. So let's move it, and let's change the color of the text, and its alignment also is not good. So let's make it this, and font color will be white. Yeah, it's okay. And I want line spacing to be reduced. So over here I can use the line spacing. I can change its setting, and here is option of character spacing also. So let's reduce the line spacing. It's okay. And I want this Amar text to increase its size, so I'm selecting it and increasing its size. Yeah, it's okay, I think. So let's drag it over here. Let's change its font. I think it will be okay to change this font. As you can see, here are a lot of fonts. You can choose your favorite one. I think this will look good. Let's use this. Yeah, it's better. You can use it.